Alrighty folks, it's been a few weeks. We're still getting tomatoes. The outside patch, they're starting to get, they're not as pretty. Starting to get a little bit of blight. Pepper's doing good there. This here is our tater patch, weed patch. We'll be mowing this down here before long. When I put the sickle bar mower on to mow the hay, I'll just come down here and mow over top of that there, and then we'll just get that out of the way for when we go to start digging the taters. Corn's still doing good. We've been picking off of it. Beans, we've done had, this will be the third picking coming up off of these. We really like the flavor of these beans here. They're Monte Cristos is what they're called. Had never tried them before. If we can get the seed, we'll definitely be raising them again next year. Let's go down and take a look at some of the other stuff. Yes, darn Japanese beetles is back. And then here's some of our other beans. Those are called the nor'easters. It's a Roma type bean. That's pole bean. And then on over there is our half runners. Gonna have to get out here and pick some more corn. We froze, I believe, all together so far 9 dozen ears, I believe we've froze. And then here's our squash, still get some of them. Cucumbers down there, as you can tell, they're pretty well shot. They're still producing a few cucumbers, but the other plants are coming along in the greenhouse. We're going to be swapping them out. Here's some of the Cherokee purples. Pepper's still doing pretty good in here. Daniel's in here picking tomatoes right now. They're getting a little bit more wild and everything here now, as you can see. We'll stroll up through here. What we've been picking this evening. How's it going, Dan?
Doing pretty good. I got one more basket left, I think.
But there's new growth coming on, and like I said, we've got to pull. There's one tomato plant out up there. Here's what we picked this evening here. With what we've picked this evening, this ought to get us over 500 pounds. Starting before we picked this evening so far, we had 478 pounds. Okay, let's go up here. We'll take a look inside the little greenhouse. There was another basket. That sound you're hearing, we've got the drip tape on in here. And you can see here's some of our cantaloupes. here's some of our cabbage we gotta get planted. We gotta get these tomatoes planted. You can see they're starting to bloom already. Here's our strawberries inside. This plant here has done real good in here this year, folks. It's starting to get the blight. But it has produced awesome tomatoes. Here's the chick, or that mama hen, had got started and then something got her. So we're finished raising them down here. It won't be long, we'll be moving them out of here. Yeah, you all doing good. Yeah. Alrighty. Folks, this video is getting ready to wrap up. If you've watched us this long, I'd like to thank you for watching. You all have a blessed day. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the little bell notification. And you all have a great day. Thank you.